How to configure user file backup in Windows 10. Losing all your critical business files in a single click without a backup can be horrifying. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up Windows 10 file backup. It's a simple but powerful way to protect important business data from things like hardware crashes, malware attacks, or accidental deletions. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Step-by-step guide on how to backup files in Windows 10. Before setting up backups in Windows 10, make sure you have enough storage, whether it's on your PC, an external drive, or a network or cloud location. To configure the Windows 10 file backup, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Update and Security and click Backup. Under Backup Using File History, click Add a Drive. Select your external drive or network location. Windows will start backing up your files automatically. Click More Options to choose folders and set how often backups happen. Then choose Backup Now to start your first backup. Managing and restoring backups. If your system crashes or you accidentally delete a file, restoring from a backup can save the day. Here's how to recover files using file history. Open Settings and go to Update and Security, Backup. Click More Options, then scroll down and choose Restore Files from a Current Backup. Find the file or folder you want to recover. Click Restore to put it back in its original place, or right-click and choose Restore if you want to save it somewhere else. To keep your backups running smoothly, it's important to manage them regularly. Backup files can pile up over time and consume significant storage space. Troubleshooting Windows Backup settings. Backing up files is usually easy, but problems can still happen. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. Windows backup failed to complete. This usually happens when there isn't enough space on your backup drive. Make sure your destination has sufficient storage and check if antivirus software is interfering with the backup. Backup location is not available. This happens when the backup destination gets disconnected. To fix it, reconnect the external drive or check your network settings. Scheduled backups are not running. This issue may happen if the Windows backup service is disabled. To fix it, open Services, locate Windows Backup, and set it to Automatic. Also, make sure your computer isn't set to shut down hard drives when in sleep mode. Corrupt backup files. If backup files become corrupted, it may be due to hardware issues or system shutdowns. Run checkdisk E:/F. Replace E: with your drive letter to scan and repair errors. Consider switching to a more reliable storage medium. Best practices for effective file backup. Whether you use local backups or paid backup software, it's smart to keep multiple copies of your important files. This adds extra protection. Also, take time to research top backup and recovery tools to find the right features if you're looking beyond Windows 10 file backup. Windows 10 file backup helps protect your important files from data loss. Even the most secure businesses can face threats like malware, insider attacks, or natural disasters. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to configure user file backup in Windows 10, linked in the description below.